Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is NABILA FAUSTA Putri. I'm in 8th grade at Banguntapan 1 Junior High School. Today I want to demonstrate how to make box file from unused cardboard. For the tools and materials we need unused cardboard, wrapping paper, origami paper, ruler, pencil, paper tape, glue paper, and scissors. Now for the step. First, draw the cardboard into the desired pattern using a ruler and pencil. Make two trapezoids with a base of 20 cm and a height of 28 cm. Also make a rectangle with a size of 9 × 28 cm. The other part size 9 × 20 and 9 × 10 cm. Then cut the parts of the box file rack according to the pattern that has been drawn. After the cardboard is cut out, neatly decorate the part using origami paper to cover the cardboard. Next, start assembling part, glue them using masking tape. Cover the entire outside the box file using wrapping paper. Finish! The box file is ready to use. You can arrange book to this box file like this. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.